we are going to study the topic syllogism, also known as logical deduction. Syllogism is basically concluding the results from given statements. Okay. Statements like all cats are dogs, all dogs are cats. तो ये दोनों हमारी स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को हम बोलेंगे मेजर, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट को नेम देंगे माइनर. स्टेटमेंट्स में आपको जो आइडेंटिफाई करना है वो है इनका मेन सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. तो जो भी आपकी सेंटेंस में फर्स्ट टर्म होगी उसको हम बोलेंगे सब्जेक्ट और जो भी आपकी सेकेंड टर्म होगी उसको हम बोलेंगे प्रेडिकेट. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो है कैट्स एंड सेकेंड टर्म में आपका सब्जेक्ट है सिमिलरली डॉग्स. फर्स्ट टर्म में आपका प्रेडिकेट है डॉग्स और सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट में आपका प्रेडिकेट है कैट्स. ठीक है. फर्स्ट हमने पढ़ा सिलॉजिज्म, उसकी लॉजिकल, उसको बोलते हैं लॉजिकल डिडक्शन. इसके अंदर आपको गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स दिए होंगे और उससे आपने कंक्लूजन को कंक्लूड करना है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज नोन एज मेजर, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज नोन एज माइनर. फर्स्ट टर्म इज कॉल्ड subject, second term is called predicate. Similarly, in the second sentence, dog is subject and cat is predicate. Now, let's move on to the classification of the statement. Statement will be of type X, Y, Z. Subject, जो भी हमने पढ़ा first term is, are, not, will be a helping verb, and last predicate. So X, Y, Z can be all, some, any, all. Cats are dogs. So in this sentence, all is आपका X, Y, Z. Cat subject, are helping verb, and dogs is predicate. Okay. Now standard format of the sentence. Standard format of the sentence should be like A, B, B is to C. A is to B and B is to C, where B is your middle term. It can be explained with the example. All cats are dogs. All dogs are tigers. So cats is your A, dogs are B, B and C. So dogs is the middle term and cats and tiger is A and C. इसमें आपने क्या करना है, जो भी मिडल टर्म है आपकी उसको आपने कैंसिल आउट करना है. डॉग्स एंड डॉग्स. So it is in the standard format. A is to B, B is to C. Now you have to mug up some 9 rules which will give the conclusion of the two statements. The rules are all plus all gives all. All plus some gives no conclusion. All plus no. So in this all plus all gives all, then conclusion will be all cats are tigers. So our valid conclusion is all cats are tigers. Okay. ये हमने फर्स्ट रूल अभी किया है, all plus all which gives the valid conclusion all cats are tigers. All cats are dogs and some dogs are tigers. First check that whether our two statements are in the given format or not. That is A is to B and B is to C. So it is in the given format A, B and B, C. B is your middle term. Cancel out the middle term. Now apply the rule. What is the rule? All plus some, no conclusion. So no conclusion can be inferred from the given statements. Answer will be no conclusion. Okay. Now next move on to the next rule, that is all plus no. Same example, all cats are dogs and no dogs are tigers. Again format A to B, B to C, format followed. Now rule, all plus no, no. So dogs and dogs cancel out, all plus no, no, no cats are tigers is your valid conclusion, right? Now let's move on to the next rules of these three rules are of all category. All means universal positive. All sentences are universal positive. That is called a UP. So we have done three rules of all. Now move on to the rules of sum. Sum is also called as particular positive. P. All the sentences of sum are called as particular positive. Three rules of sum also: sum plus all, sum plus sum, and sum plus no. Sum plus all gives sum, sum plus sum gives no conclusion, and sum plus no gives sum not. Let us explain these three rules with the help of the three examples. First example, some cats are dogs, all dogs are cats. Check the format of the statements. A to B, B to C, format is correct. Then cancel out the middle term or the common term. Now apply the rule. So sum plus all is sum. Some cats are cats. So conclusion follows. Some cats are cats. Okay. Now second rule, sum plus sum. Again with the help of example, some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. So check the format of the statement. Format is given A to B, B to C. Cancel out the middle term. Sum plus sum. Apply the rule. So applies is no conclusion. So with this rule you cannot conclude any statement. So no conclusion follows. Move on to the third rule, that is sum plus no, sum not. Some cats are dogs and no dogs are cats. Dogs cancel out, sum plus no, rule sum not. So apply the rule, some cats are not cats. Now rules of particular positive have been finished. Three more rules of universal negative. No statement is of kind of universal negative. All the statements of no are universal negative.